What's up, besties? I know we've all been reading a bunch of headlines about President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan, so I thought, as your rich BFF, I'd go over the key details, explain what it means for you, and answer some hot, frequently asked questions. Please like, comment, and subscribe to learn more about being good with your money. Let's get to it. So here's a quick summary. First and foremost, the sexiest part of the plan. President Biden is offering federal student loan cancellation for singletons making under $125,000 or for households making less than $250,000. Most people who qualify will see up to $10,000 of federal student loan debt canceled. But if you received a Pell Grant, typically awarded to lower and middle income borrowers, you'll actually be eligible for up to $20,000 of federal student loan debt forgiveness. 2. The student loan debt freeze, aka moratorium, will also be extended through December 31st of 2022, aka the end of the year. And 3, the part that nobody seems to be talking about, but actually is the most broadly beneficial. If you have undergraduate student loans, you can cap repayment at 5% of your monthly income. So as an example, if your monthly income is $4,000, your monthly student loan payment cannot be more than $200. So how's this all actually gonna work? You're gonna go to studentaid.gov/debt relief to sign up to be notified as soon as possible when information is available. 8 million borrowers will automatically be eligible for cancellation because the government already has enough info from your tax returns. And everyone else will just have to fill out a short form to receive debt forgiveness. Furthermore, for all of my lovable nerds who kept paying their federal student loans off during the freeze, you can get a refund for any payment made since March 13th of 2020. All you have to do is contact your loan servicer to request that your payment be refunded. Quick list of contact info for you to screenshot up on the screen right now. People are considering doing this to maximize their forgiveness. As an example, if you had an $8,000 student loan balance before the pandemic and paid $3,000 off since March 13th of 2020, your balance now would be $5,000. You could request forgiveness from the government against that $5,000, or you could request a refund of the $3,000 from your loan servicer, and your student loan balance would go back up to $8,000. You'd then apply for student loan forgiveness against that $8,000 and maximize the $10,000 being forgiven, as you'd be getting that whole $8,000 canceled. Transparently, people are reporting pretty long wait times to actually get their refunds processed by their loan servicers, but for thousands of dollars, it may be well worth your time. As for what to do with the extra cash, I recommend paying off high interest rate debt, usually credit card, contributing to an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of living expenses is an average, and investing for the future. Whew, and we're into the last section of this video, a lightning round of frequently asked questions. Here we go. Is this going to make inflation so much worse? No one can say for sure, but come January, when the cancellation is finalized, more lower and middle income people will benefit by having their student loan debt forgiven or meaningfully reduced, while higher income people with student loan debt will have to go back to paying it off. The current administration hopes that those two actions should help balance out inflation. Who's actually benefiting from this loan forgiveness? 90% of the money going out will go to people making less than $75,000 a year, and 40% of people who will benefit will see their debt completely wiped. Pretty cool, right? And last question, when is all of this happening? Timing is likely going to be over the next 4 months, and we'll see it finalized around when the freeze ends at the end of the year. I hope this info helped everyone have a better understanding of what actually is going on.